I don't know how the management of the Ghana Most Beautiful did it, but I want to say, the 6 finalists that would be was any run at your moko prayer for the winner. No, what you say 3 non account and 3 where accounts. That is non accounts no benya the Ga ubenya the Ever and the Northern region. TNE power and uko PMU the account side now benya the Bono, Asante and Eastern region. All of them representing on that big platform. And I was like, how? Wow, where the management and the statistics that want me go through. I the judges now want me 3 non accounts and 3 accounts. And yeah, very surprising pa. But that is not the main reason why we are here, though it's very surprising. And I'm so on this channel, I found my money who be a promo to our head, you know. Like I was saying, hey, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. We are fans about the money to all notification icon. I and so don't have about the money to all out of the options a bit pure screen. So and no announce the video to my DB phone to be a catch us upload the video. And you made don't me the finals no to me to share so and you win here the first runner up, the second runner up. If I could show me you made your mudi chat as then the judges no to me share so Emma on final verdict. Then Kasabe and I'm the old video which is credited to ATV3 Ghana Most Beautiful. And you bet job on your boy the beautiful performance of the 3 people and you mut me 3D anymore. And you win here and so.
Hey, blow yeah, da falo, blow yeah, da falo, blow. K1ng Ghana, of a Fiji mania. As a child, I dreamt of becoming someone who impacts the society. I believed in my goals, aspirations, values, and dreams. But all these were thrown away. I am a coffee, joy. One unfortunate dark afternoon years ago, all these dreams and my childhood was taken away from me, all in the name of a practice. This is my story. La toshike. Whoever stole my cards, may God deal with him or her and the entire generation. So right now, what do I do? Oh, okay. See, McCaffrey, come. McCaffrey, come. Okay. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Hey, you remember the last time you told me they told you this nice poem in school?
Yes.
Do you remember?
Yes.
Hey, tell me the poem.
Oh, Ghana, land of gold and precious stones, your world has filled our coffers for so long, but unfortunately, corruption drains and swallows it all, leaving many in poverty. with only tears to sow. Our rivers, once clean, now polluted and grey. Our lands, once fertile, now destroyed due to Galamsey. We cry out for change.
Hey, McCaffrey, I'm so proud of you coming my baby girl. McCaffrey.
Sit over. As discussed and agreed, McCaffrey is to serve Togbi Zavon. Myself and Jotaba, we went to seek this thing of what's the name? I will know. And I will not say that Safashi stole Dango's cat. That is why everyone is dying in the family mysteriously. And we need to do something about this. You know what? What are we? We have to atone the gods. If not, you and your daughter will follow suit.
We need to. It is even an honor to serve on behalf of Togbi Zavon, on behalf of the family. As for me, I am not ready to lose the large portion of land I have acquired at La Clevi Copper. Oh no, Kai, McCaffrey. I'm sorry. But you have to do this, okay?
Go to your way.
Baby, please don't send me away. What's happening to my
parti met pas tout bon tout bejeje afepenue angono nginin mono awo baby manula
Panyara Shuya. On the page of the law, this practice was abolished. But in the face of tradition and the belief of my people, this has lived the test of time. And no one knows when this will be abolished. I was once a girl, full of dreams, laughter, and hope. I wanted to be someone like Honorable Jifa Gumashi. Alas, a girl like me had to pay for a sin I did not commit. I was brought here to save my family from being wiped away by the gods. But that did not make them immortals. Guess what? Mother died. And those elders who heard the voice of the gods died as well. Trokoshi is derived from two Ewe phrases. Tro, which means deity, and Koshi, which means slave. So Trokoshi system involves the dedication of a virgin to a deity as a form of atonement of sin committed by a family member. Can you imagine? I'm to pay for a sin I did not commit. In this shrine, we lost our voices, our freedom of movement, no access to education, no proper medical care. Even these young ones here lost control over their dignity, but no. We will not tolerate this any longer. It is time to dismantle this oppressive institution and create a future where all women are treated with love, respect, and dignity. Let us stand united against this injustice. Let us raise our voices and demand change. The practice of trokoshi violates the dignity of many young girls in the Volta region, forcing them into slavery for a crime they did not commit, and denying them of their right to education as guaranteed under the Article 25 of Ghana's 1992 Constitution. We must uphold Article 16, which prohibits slavery and forced labor, by holding shrine leaders accountable and protecting these vulnerable children. It is important to provide education and vocational training that will empower these girls to reclaim their futures and break free from the cycle of slavery. This abuse not only infringes on human rights, but also contravenes the Sustainable Development Goal 4, 5 and 16, which promotes education, gender equality, and justice. Now to you, law enforcement agencies. It is time to enforce the laws in our books. To our chiefs and elders in the community, culture and tradition is evolving. We need to have a conversation. I told you, my mama, I told you, my girl, my little chiku, damn me. Madam, you trust me with the Kumaronchi. Namia young view, not put your back. And to you, the chief priest, we need to choose compassion over this inhumane practice of injustice. And finally, to you men and boys with sisters, wives and mothers, this struggle belongs to us. So I'm inviting you and you to join me and Trokoshi entirely. By this declaration, never know Opofofoma. Nyawe ya me follow, Bobo Bada come up on Usara Mianujo. Nyawe ya me follow, Bobo Bada come up on Usara Mianujo. Yes, Never young few for Choma, Egano,
McCaffrey from the Volta region, dealing with Trosi for GMB 2024.
Nana mabos media sa okaya way. Iso abotai. Ehomani nia. Nananom. Some nananom kan sambodia. Mushishem na mofanchawon. When someone invokes the gods of the land and curse in the Asante region, it's known to be a very harmful traditional practice. And it leads to a whole lot of harm. And death is what you're about to witness.
dying. And I'm dying. Look at my stomach. And I'm dying. It's full of worms and I'm dying. The place have been revoked this curse on me. And I'm dying.
We have to go to the priestess. That might improve your chances of finding favor among the gods. Let's go to the shrine.
Chairman, this is our own council.
Minana. Minana. Manentuna name say we are here to revoke the curse of this young man.
Manentuna say he will be made to carry a brass basin
or safata
with a white cloth, a white cloth, a white cloth, white cloth. Snap, ice and sardine. A sword, a sword, a sword, a sword.
And one, Nana, and one. Nana, brel.
A sword. A white fowl. Fowl. A white fowl. Fitte.
Hey.
Akabako. Any danger more. Tell me. First one on call. First one. First one.
Minana.
A brand said, I am your mom. Or the Afia Casasano. Watumra.
Nana brel.
You will see a yapire.
And one.
And one. And son.
Piao. Yes, we. And why are they not being here?
Nana Mapus Media Samakaya way.
Yeah.
And Sio.
Yeah.
About time.
Yeah.
Inuya.
Yeah.
No woman.
Yeah.
Nana no men sama for.
Yeah.
Someone nobody I can't tell one.
Yeah.
Mushishem.
Yeah.
Namu Mobo.
Yeah. Nana brel. Yes. And this ordeal could not save your life because our priestess couldn't say a word. Go with your ship. Go. Go with your ship.
Hey, Nanaba.
Abuetia. Nana no mind apaye no.
Koko.
I believe you suffer from spiritual affliction, including protruding stomach, mental illness, swollen legs, and death.
Me de ne koko so sanka abamu me nanim fo enhwa masem no monka bi mame na so anuano omotu asem na dieje mu ye no troka na me die me boni dia. I never wanted him to die. I've killed my own friend. I can't live with this guilt. No.
Two lives has been lost in a day, all because of an act of justice. My people, wouldn't you like to change this narrative? Even if you don't want to, I would want to change this narrative. The law courts of Ghana, you should handle cases professionally, without fear or favor, bribery, and corruption. If everyone's cases is handled with fair judgment, no one will even think of harming his or her brother. Again, if you can't even forgive, look up to God, because God forgives you all your sins. Diabo is a very harmful traditional practice. And do not indulge yourself in this act. Do not indulge yourself in this act.
Hey. Adeya me show ya me widi. Me ye sure sa akosua manua na afade. Me kwana me bisa no aka kwa me koni dia wo. Asemesi. Mimi ade asem. Shane waka. Wasem mu ne ho. Ade na akwafa ya, ode na akwafa ya. Wu bisa me anya sa. Wo say atwa me mpo a, se me fine, wo so wo fine na nanom ne bedi asema ma. Me friend na nanom ne atwa me de.
Mumbra. So let me ask you, do you want to kill your sister?
No, I just did that to scare for her to say the truth.
Hey, we don't joke with the gods of the land, though.
Hey.
We don't joke with the gods of the land. Go and settle your issues and make up.
Okay, Nana.
If you cannot, let me come in.
Okay, Nana.
Go and settle your cases.
Okay, thank you, Nana. I don't want anybody to die.
No. Please, let's engage and educate our people on the harmful effects of Chiabo. make us. It shouldn't break us. Our traditions should give us life. It shouldn't kill us. Madam was saying.
The great ancestor of the Gonjas, carrying a message from the heavens to guide my people. Kajakwanana abore shungama aita aboya mbasakama. And fa in the hearts of the savannah region lie the cries of a young girl whose childhood is not a time of laughter or learning, but it counts down to a life she never chose. A child marriage ceremony unfolds.
Today is a great and beautiful day. I am super excited and so proud of you. Yes, as I give you my only beautiful and ever gorgeous daughter for you and to give you to marriage. My son, I bless you with the blessings of my forefathers and ancestors. Please, bring me my joy, my daughter, to a new husband.
Alela, remember, your husband is always right. I have taught you how to cook and clean. Don't go and embarrass me, okay? Go to your new home, my daughter.
Sold to a buyer so bold and old, yet told that all will be well. But unlike the promise, all is yet to be well. Betrayed by her father and forsaken by her mother, she is sentenced to a life trauma with her dying dreams of becoming a lawyer at the corner. Yes, she became a bride, forced to share her bed with a man as old as her father.
Is it marriage without consent? Is it consent if the consent is not of her own? Is it a home if she doesn't feel at home? I'm tired. I'm tired.
Alela, 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 alela,
For we were once like you, filled with dreams as bright as the stars. Yet here we lie with shattered dreams and lifeless souls. The very people who should have protected us turned their backs on us, and we were led to the slaughter. Now here we lay, children who lost our lives to childbirth and domestic violence, trapped in marriages we never consented to. The cycle must end with you. You have the power to reclaim your future. It is never too late to stand up for yourself and rights. There is no rest until every girl child is safe. Look beyond you, and you shall see a special one sent to your rescue. Her name is Titiaka. Do not be afraid. Today we rise, not to scare you. Our souls will be with you and fight.
Please help me. Get up, dear one. Ngbangi biya mimbaba kajak banana, mabrana me warmananam sabar. Ngbangi biya mimbaba kajak banana, mabrana me warmananam sabar. Alala. This cannot be your destiny. How can a child raise a child? 10 million innocent girls globally
face this harsh reality, according to the 2021 UNICEF report. The Ghana Statistical Survey in 2021 reveals that 79,733 girls in Ghana aged 12 to 17 are married, with the Savannah region having the second largest percentage of 10.9%. Many families, under the guise of tradition, see child marriage as a rite of passage immediately the girl sees her first period. They also see it as a way of preserving their family honor and preventing promiscuity. This act not only violates the human rights of a child, as outlined in international and local frameworks, but also exposes the child to health risks during pregnancy and childbirth, leading to a high rate of infant and maternal mortality. This also disrupts the education of the child, perpetuating the cycle of gender inequality, limiting girls' roles to that of wives and mothers. Some of these victims migrate to the south to seek for greener pastures after being neglected by their husbands. Even though the Children's Act 1998 under Section 14 prohibits the marriage of a child, this act still rears its ugly hairs in our communities, and this must end now. We can end this through public education on the importance of educating the girl child, on the rise of the girl child, and also the effects of child marriage through organizing workshops, community engagements, among others. Of course, the law has a role to play. Laws against child marriage should be strengthened and their coverage punished in order to deter others from doing same. Free legal provisions and free legal services, it plays a vital role to ensure that these victims get justice. The implementation of empowerment and vocational trainings will ensure that poverty will be eradicated, since this is a key cause of child marriage. Remember technology? Of course, it has a role to play. With technology, we can develop mobile apps that would help send confidential reports of cases to the law enforcement agencies to ensure that there is action. The government, NGOs like Girls Not Bride, individuals, traditional and religious leaders, the media, and law enforcement agencies are championing this cause. But with our collective efforts, we can achieve greater heights. This fight is not just about ending child marriage. It's about getting the futures of the girls back and ensuring that there is access to education and breaking the chains of gender inequality. In accordance with SDG 4 and SDG 5, securing a brighter future for our girls. It is time to let the lessons of our past light our path to a brighter tomorrow. A tomorrow where the girl child is freed from the grip of child marriage, where her dreams will not be shattered. A tomorrow where education of the girl child will be prioritized and her limitless potentials unleashed. A tomorrow as bright as the stars. Tomorrow begins today.
Mabraname Warmanam Siabr and Banye Makoboyante no Tansakama. Stand with us, take action, and end child marriage now. Thank you.
Median in Agoto, a year who said, I knew Copium was Savannah and so on. And yes, you about Papa Bititiaka or no so edit me kind. I bring Rebecca so the winning. And the second position as our friend at the first runner up and so a nearby free. I so free Asante region, also need to me take a beautiful position. So the price of a 10,000 Ghana cedis, that is this academy Rebecca is 100 million. And I would to me and so Edema a free. You did kind of after winning card on Etitiaka out free as Savannah after winning a car no 150 million. That is 15,000 Ghana cedis and so can. And the second runner up you detailed and so the representative for the voter region. I would also the performance and be sure so what did you hope? Every bit of the performance. Waiting in some way to go to Ghana was beautiful and I'm about to find can media barber some more. You bedding crowd in case of any video. The best show on the same channel, my crowd.
K1ng, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. Say you see commentary, news in the bar. Say you see commentary for home. We are so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also the Ebema other tribe a follow. Uni sorted. India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know. Say I'll commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we need maybe a local strength free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. K1ng, K1ng will try pa.